Okay, introduction video.
Take 7.
Scene 1, take 7.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, action. Hi guys, we are the crew of Reeva. I'm Vaidehi.
I'm Gaurav.
And this is Kea, who right now doesn't want to speak on camera. So we have sold everything that we own to buy a house.
Turn on
Buy
the
a house on the sea. You should said yes, but on the sea.
Wait, turn on the gas 1.3 kilometers.
Okay, not good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Hi guys, we're the crew of Reeva.
It's not getting better, we're getting worse.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Hi guys, welcome back. As you must have noticed, we've been here in Penang for about 3 weeks now. During this time, we've been working really hard to get the boat ready. So in this video, we'll give you a glimpse of the boat projects that we've undertaken. First and foremost, change of name from Asylum to Reeva. This required removal of old markings and stickers and putting new ones.
Dreams do come true, huh, Gaurav?
Yeah, man. Loving it.
Perseverance.
In addition to this, the biggest task that we undertook was upgradation of our battery bank. As we've already told you earlier, everything on this boat runs on 12-volt batteries. So what we have done is removed our old 690 amp hour battery bank and put in a 800 amp hour bank. In addition, we have replaced 180 watt solar panels with a whopping 760 watts. This basically means that we can stay off grid for much longer. And like any other great achievement, this upgradation of battery bank and solar panels wouldn't have been possible without some divine intervention. In our case, it came from Jerry. As I've come to know him, I realized that he's a bit of a legend in his field, who sails boats, rides 1000cc bikes, and helps newbies like us. And did I mention he's also an outstanding cook? Well, thanks, Jerry. With our battery bank sorted, we next attended to our trusty 40-year-old diesel engine, which needed some TLC.
So there's still work going on the boat. Something or the other is happening. And I walk in to find this. Gaurav, doing yoga kya?
Yeah.
Shavasana chal raha hai. Shavasana.
Upside down Savasana. I've kept some stuff outside.
What are you looking into?
Our shower sump is not working.
Okay. What does that mean?
Shower का जो पानी है, not going out.
Shower ka pani is not going out, so we're not having showers in the boat.
Well, the next task was to get stickering and markings done on the boat. I could have done it myself, the stickering part, but I'm glad I took some professional help and they did a fine job, as you can see. There have been a lot of questions from family, friends and viewers about why we named her Reeva. Well, that's an episode in itself. There are a lot of reasons, to tell you the truth. But for now, I think I really like the font that we've chosen. Though it's easily readable in English, which is a basic requirement for ships and vessels that are, plying the open seas, but it has a very Devanagari feel to it. I really like it. What do you think? While all this work was going on, the troops had to be kept fed. So Vaidehi was in full Sugrani mode.
Yay. Looks okay. Let's hope it tastes okay.
Smells nice.
अरे वाह चलो चलो So our first movie night.
Yay!
Ooh, some Korean chicken. Kia's trying to put her cool.
It looks like she's gonna serve us.
Yeah, she looks like this. And nice shirt. And
And we're watching the gods.
we're watching Gods Must Be Crazy.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. Unknown man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out,